Okay, so you guys, in this video, copy these numbers down. You have -1, 0, 3, 1, 7, and then 2, 11. All right, the first thing we're going to do is delta y over delta x. So the change in the y and the change in the x. How does the y change? From the -1 to the 3, from the 3 to the 7, from the 7 to the 11, it's going to be plus what number? Okay, so if you notice, if I put +4 every time, that is my delta y. So I'm going to put a +4. What is my pattern here? I'm jumping by +4. The x side is easy. So I have -1, 0, 1, 2. This is going to be +1. Positive because it's going up. So I have 1. So my delta y over delta x equals 4. So this number right here, this is my slope. So on my slope, I'm going to put 4. My y-intercept is whenever I have the 0 and then a number. This is my y-intercept. Circle this. This is a 0 on the x. This is a +3 for my y-intercept, +3. So that's the first thing you want to do is you want to find the pattern for the delta y +4. Find the pattern for the delta x +1. That's my slope. And then this one, wherever I have the 0 and the 3, that's where I have here. So then y equals my m, the slope is going to be 4x. This is a +3, so I'm going to put +3. Okay? But I want to concentrate on something else. I want you to write down domain. And I want you to write down range. Okay? So for this domain and range, the domain is all of these x numbers. So you have to make these little braces like that, these little squigglies. -1, comma, 0, comma, +1, comma, and then 2. And then make your braces. The domain is like this. You have to make the braces and put all the x numbers. Same thing for the range. Put your braces. -1, comma, 3, comma, 7, comma, 11, and then make your braces. Okay? So I have my domain and range numbers, whatever here is. Ordered pairs, we're just going to write them down, copy it down. -1, -1, 0, 3, 1, 7, and then 2, 11. All right, we don't need the last one. You can scratch it out if you want to. We only have 4 points. Now, from the origin, right, from the middle of my graph, I need to move, okay? So if I have a negative number on the x, it goes to the left. If I have a 0, you do not move. If I have a positive number, it goes to the right, and it goes to the right. So go ahead and circle those. Now we have up or down. If it's negative, it's going to go down. If it's positive, it goes up. So all these are positive, all these are going to go up, okay? So that's going to be how you plot the points from the ordered pairs. Here, so start in the middle, all right? So I'm going to go to the left 1 unit, and I'm going to go 1 unit down. So from the origin to the left, and then 1, and put a dot. Okay. Next, I have 0, so go to the origin. 0, you do not move, and then you go up 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom. So see 0, you stay in the middle, and then 3 up. Boom. Put your dot. Next, I have to the right 1 unit, and then 7 units up. So start from the origin to the right, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And then I have 2 units to the right, and then 11. So this one, if I go 2 and up, this only goes to number 10. So number 11 is like out here, right? So this one's a little bit outside of the graph. Now make a line, go all the way. All right, you're gonna make a continuous. This is a continuous line. Okay. Now the rise over run is the same answer as my delta y over delta x. Your slope, all this should be 4, 1. Okay, put 4. So rise is up 4 because it's positive. And then to the run is to the right. Okay. So this pattern, everyone put your pencil on this dot, the first dot right here. If I go up 4 to the right one, watch. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. I should be on the next dot. Let's do it again. Up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then to the right. Boom. So see, they match. All this should match. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means that we did it correctly. All right, so hopefully that's good. Okay, now for the mapping. All right, so you have an X bubble and a Y bubble. And we're gonna just random, okay? So put like 0, 2, 1, -1. Just go ahead, put in random. Same thing over here, I can put in random. So like 11, -1, 3, and 7. Okay, so I draw an arrow going from this bubble to this bubble. So -1 to -1. This way. Point your arrow. 0 goes to 3. 1 goes to 7, and then 2 goes to 11. Okay. Now, is it a function? Write down function right here. Yes. Function, yes. All right, because it passes the vertical line test. If I draw a vertical line, all right, this is a function. All right, so you're gonna do the same thing. On this side, I'm going to give you the numbers. I'm going to give you some easy numbers. So let's do these numbers. Okay. And let me set up the map for you. Okay, I'm going to put 0, 2, -1, +1. Let's put 12, 0, 6, -6. So you can do the mapping. And then fill out all the other ones. So what is my pattern? All right. Is this going up or is it going down? All right, this should be positive. I'm just gonna let you know right now, it should be positive. And is it a function? All right, is it a function, yes or no? All right, just go in a circle for function, yes or no. Are any of the x's repeating? Okay. So once you're finished with that, give me the paper and you're done.